What's up guys, it's your girl Kiara back with another video, and today's video is just going to be a little review on this little sample I got called Monat. I believe it's M-O-N-A-T, and I got this from my Instagram friend. Her name is Sally Fanjoy, and she wanted me to try out her hair products, which is awesome. She gave me little details on her hair product that it's something she does. Well, her and a bunch of people, it's a little thing they do, you know, to promote healthy hair, all types of hair, from straight to curly. She said would help your hair. But anyways, so I'm gonna give this product a try. Well, these little samples. Yeah. So the front of the package, this is what it looks like. Has a little woman with blonde hair, and it says time to shine. Your hydration home hair spa has arrived. And then she has a little note in here. All it says, I'm just gonna read a little bit. It just says, "Hi Kiara, I'm so excited for you to try these Monat products. One of the reasons I love these products is that they are naturally based and they actually work. They are also anti-aging, so that you can keep or get back that luxurious, healthy look regardless of your age." Honey, now y'all know I love luxurious, okay? And of course healthy, and yeah, everybody wants it young. But she's letting me know, like, in this package I will find a hydrating home hair spa, blah blah blah, and she gave me a link where I can buy more products and check out the company's info and everything. Yeah, she's awesome. She's a great person, really sweet. Like, since I met her on, she's just been super sweet, like, girl. So okay, so when you open the package, there is 4 samples, and the first step is Renew shampoo, then it's the Replenish Masque for step 2. Step 3 is the Restore Leave-In conditioner, then lastly is the Rejuvenated Oil Intensive. So yeah, I'm gonna go give this a try. I'm gonna go wash my hair, and then I'll come back and do the other products. Now I'm back with freshly washed hair, and I'm going to start with step 2, which is the Replenish Masque. So after using the renewing shampoo, I'm going to smooth Replenish Masque evenly throughout my hair and leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'll rinse it out. Hopefully it's enough. I can say though, for the shampoo it was enough. It was actually enough, which was good, and it actually smelled good, and then it left my hair like not brittle, like, you know what I mean, not super dry, not brittle or anything. So like my hair still looks decent. You know how sometimes when you wash your hair, sometimes like my hair still looks decent, because you know sometimes some shampoos make your hair like super dry and it just look ugh. But yeah, I can say that shampoo did not. So that was a good shampoo, and it actually smelled good, so that's a plus. Okay, so hopefully this is enough. This hair, man, that's the only thing that's scary about sample size. Sometimes it's never enough. So I'm trying to get every bit out. This is not enough though, but whatever. I'm just gonna split my hair in half and make it work. So I'm gonna definitely start my crown. I told y'all before, my crown is the most driest part. Then I'm gonna just rub it in, put the rest on my ends, bring it on my edges. Y'all, my hair been showing out. Look at that. It's just been working with me, honey. Hands running right through it like nothing. I'm going to let this sit, like I said, for 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, now the Replenish hair mask is out of my head, and next is step 3. Step 3 is the Restore Leave-In conditioner. And then, yeah. So I'm going to pour all of it into my hand. Yeah. trying to get every last drop. So I pour every last drop into my hand. That's how much it is. So like I did before, I'm going to start in my crown area and just split it down the middle. And then the rest of the cream, I'll rub my hand again. Bring some on my edges and rub it throughout the shaft to my ends. And then I'll work it in so we can get everywhere. Because since it's not that much, I need to make sure it's getting through. It smells good. It smells like your typical salon hair care, honestly. When you go to the salon and get your hair done, that's what it smells like all there. I feel like all salon products smell the same. I don't know why. It's all rubbed in. Here is my shedding. See, not that much. I'm telling you guys. Is that right? And step 4 is the Rejuvenated Oil Intensive. So after styling, this is going to be the style. I apply a small amount to my hands and apply it to hair and concentrate it onto mid-length to ends. So basically I don't have to, so mid-length. So I'm guessing just like here and down. I don't have to worry about my scalp. Which is weird, I guess. Just a little weird for me because I thought oil was supposed to go on the scalp. But hey, I'm gonna do what it said. Ooh, it's already coming out. So sadly, it's not that much in here. It's just like that little bit. So I'm gonna just rub it through my hands. And I'm gonna start from mid-length and rub it down like I said. My hand, mid-length. Get it on these ends. Okay, so now this is my hair with the oil in it. So all 4 steps are done, and my review right now for literally just doing the 4 steps and bam, what y'all see right now, I actually like it so far. And my curls look really good, like it didn't do any damage or anything. It's still moisturized and it's actually really still soft. Like it's very soft and it was manageable. As y'all seen, my hair went right through, still did. So yeah, I'll give this right now a thumbs up. Like I really do give this product a thumbs up. I liked it. I would use this again and actually get a normal size. Just only kind of have, I mean, it's not really a con because it's sample, so of course it's not enough in the sample. But the product smells good and it actually does what it say. It's hydrating because my hair still looks hydrated with that little bit, the little sample sizes. As you can see, like the curls are still good. Still moist. So I'm gonna go let my hair air dry and then I'll blow dry a little bit after it gets like 80% air dried, and then I'll come back with the dry look and then give you all the review of my dry look. My hair is now dry. It is basically like 99.3% dry. So like little spots in the back right here, like on my ends, that's a little bit nice and bouncy and just so soft. Like I really like it. So my review with it dry, I like it a lot. Like I will wear this out like as my wash and go. Like I like it. I just need to play with it a little bit more, you know, style it up some, bam, your girl's ready to go. Yeah, I like it. Like I give this product 2 thumbs up. I really like it dry and wet. It was easy to apply, easy to follow the directions. It's my hair is really soft, smells good. It smells like I came out the salon. Like, you know, I'm telling you, I know I'm not the only one. Like when you go to a salon, don't all their products, no matter what, just smells the same. That's what this smells like. So it just smells like salon hair. But it feels nice. My hair has so much shine, as y'all can see, and a lot of bounce. Like it doesn't prevent frizz. As you can see, I have like a lot of frizz in my problem area, my crown. So there's a lot of frizz there. So those are like the only cons. But other than that, the product is really great. Like my hair is so luxurious. Like it is like it's luxurious right now. These curls are popping from afar and from real close popping. Like just look, it's super bouncy, healthy looking. Yes, yes. Yes, girl. Thank you, Sally. I really do appreciate you for letting me try out these products. You will definitely be hearing from me. And you guys, I will definitely leave down the information, her Instagram, everything, so you guys can reach out to her if you want to use some samples or buy any products from her. I will leave her information and then the website information down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you comment below and let me know your thoughts about my hair and the product, and if you have tried it, and if not, if you want to, and if you do, let me know how it went. And if you already have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you will not miss a video. See you in my next one.